I have a garden. I have a garden. I see roses and tulips. I see roses and tulips. They are colorful. They are colorful. I water them. I water them. I see bees. I see bees. Bees like the flowers. Bees like the flowers. I see butterflies. I see butterflies. Butterflies fly around. Butterflies fly around. I see a tree. I see a tree. It's tall. It's tall. I see birds in the tree. I see birds in the tree. They sing songs. They sing songs. I see a small pond. I see a small pond. I see fish swimming. I see fish swimming. I see frogs jumping. I see frogs jumping. I have a picnic in my garden. I have a picnic in my garden. I eat sandwiches. I eat sandwiches. I enjoy the fresh air. I enjoy the fresh air. I play with my dog. I play with my dog. My dog runs around. My dog runs around. I feel happy. I feel happy. My garden is my special place. My garden is my special place. I love my garden. I love my garden.